Sample ID comes from the sample manifest that was provided to Psomagen. The sample type indicates whether it is a sample or a control. The well ID indicates the location of that sample in the plate or plates of the experiment. The plate ID is derived from the Psomagen order number. The data analysis reference ID is used to indicate every well that contains a sample. The Olink ID links the lot number of the reveal panel to the specific library of antibodies that was used to make it. The UniProt ID is the true name of the specific target protein. Note that the Olink internal controls do not have UniProt IDs. Assay indicates whether it is a control or the gene name. Assay type indicates the specific type of control or an assay. The panel is revealed. Blocks are based on the anticipated expression level of the target proteins. Different dilutions are applied to different blocks. Count refers to the raw NGS counts. The extended NPX is an intermediate step in calculating normalized protein expression, or the NPX value. Note that the extension controls in the extended NPX should be 0. NPX, as indicated in column O, was calculated using intensity normalization. Intensity normalization is used when it is expected that the controls and the samples will have distinctly, strongly different values. NPX by intensity is calculated using the median of the target protein across all of the plates in the study. PC, or plate control normalized NPX values, are typically used when complete randomization cannot be guaranteed. PC used the median of the plate controls across all plate or plates within the assays. Assay QC is based on internal control values. Sample QC is based on the total value of all targets in the specific sample, as well as the value of the internal controls. A fail of sample QC might indicate interference of the matrix of the sample with the assay. Note that all data have been thoroughly QC'd by our bioinformatics team before they are released to any of our customers. Should you need to contact Olink support for any reason, you may want to note the software version, name, panel data archive version, pre-processing software, and the sequencing instrument type. Intra-CVs are calculated for the assays. Inter-CVs can only be calculated when there are multiple plates in the assay or study. The following blocks, sample block QC warning, sample block QC fail, block QC fail, and assay QC warning, are binary indicator: 1 meaning there was a flag or a warning, and 0 meaning there was no flag or warning. These columns are provided for transparency's purposes, but note that they should not be of any concern, as the assay has already been thoroughly QC'd by Psomagen's bioinformatics team. And that concludes our walkthrough of the reveal data.